As Jia, I'm nothing like Gopi. I'm in the mall in my jeans and they're like very shocked. Oh, you're not wearing your sari? How are you okay with this? So I said, hello. I've had many ladies meet me in the mall and say that, you know, for my son, I would love to have a bahu like, you, Jia. Hi, this is Jia for Brute. La, 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 la. La, la, la. I'm extremely grateful that I've been a part of an iconic show that even after almost a decade of doing it, the scenes, a few portions of the show still keep going viral, and not a particular scene, but different scenes going viral at different intervals. And not only that, even the background music going viral. So I just look at it as a blessing. But having said that, being in the present moment, I would say Kam Chalu Hai is the moment, and I would want Kam Chalu Hai and the message in Kam Chalu Hai to go viral, because if this goes viral, we can make an impact together. इंसाफ चाहिए बेटी के लिए. It's very important for people to look at you beyond that, because I'm an actor by profession and it is my job to put life into a character that has been given to me, and I'm not limited. There is a vast difference between Jia and Gopi. As Jia, I'm nothing like Gopi. I am nowhere even close to your surprise. मैं आपके लिए green tea लेकर आती हूँ. People who are in my inner circle, they know what a brat I am. Even women who meet me in the malls, when they look at me and say, Arey Gopi Bahu, and the way I talk to them, they are in for a shock. What? Really? And sometimes even professionally, I have experienced people approaching me for work and they kind of expect me to answer like Gopi or to act like Gopi, and I end up being myself as Jia, which takes them aback, and they don't look comfortable because they feel that we are going to be talking to Gopi Bahu, and we'll be able to kind of take her for a ride, just like how her sister used to take her for a ride in the show. So when that taking for a ride doesn't happen, people kind of get a little offended that, we thought this will be easy, but no, it's not like that. So there is a vast difference. I've had many ladies meet me in the mall and say that, for my son, I would love to have a bahu like, you, Jia. So I said, wait, are you referring to Gopi or are you referring to Jia? Because Jia is nothing like Gopi. So if you are saying I want a bahu like you, then you are in for a surprise. I'm nothing like that. So see what you're wishing for. So this is one thing. And of course, I'm in the mall in my jeans and they're like very shocked. Oh, you're not wearing your sari? How are you okay with this? So I said, hello. I sometimes don't know how to react or respond. But nevertheless, I'm grateful to all my fans because they are the ones who shower me with love and appreciation. And, they are somebody, who help you just keep going.